Updating your email address on Instacart is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Instacart website or open the app and log in using your current email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for an option related to email preferences or personal information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Find the field that displays your current email address. Delete the old email and enter your new email address. Make sure to double check for any typos. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Once you have completed these steps, your email address will be updated on Instacart. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages.